Hey guys, working on a 2017 Toyota RAV4. This is a hybrid push start car. I'm going to show you how to reset that maintenance required light. Visit your dealer. We went ahead and performed the oil change. It is a push start car, so go ahead and push the button without your foot on the brake twice. It'll get the kind of everything up and running here. You're going to use the controls on the right side of the steering wheel. And see, that's the first message that pops up. Go ahead and click that back button. Kind of toggle out of that, and you're going to use this side-by-side scrolling, and the middle one is the enter button to kind of select. You're going to scroll to that gear button, and you could scroll down. You'll be up here. Go to vehicle settings, click enter, and then it says scheduled maintenance. Push that button, the enter button, and then you go ahead and click yes, and it's been reset, and that's it. This is a 2017 Toyota RAV4, and this is a hybrid, but they're all the same.